What's up, poker friends? I've got another poker game for you that I'd like to share. It's called Texas Turmoil. And it's called that because there's a lot going on in this game. I suggest that you deal this out at home maybe 3-4 times so you get the deal down right and you know what's going on before you introduce this to your next poker party. Now there's going to be some trading cards, there's going to be some throwing away of cards, and there's also going to be a wild card. There's a lot going on in the Texas Turmoil. Keep watching. I'm going to show you how to play it and deal it. Here's how you play and deal Texas Turmoil. You're going to start with a fully shuffled deck of cards. Determine your ante. I'm going to say each chip is worth a quarter and the ante is going to be a quarter. Go ahead and deal all players 2 down cards. And you can play this game with 7 players if you want to. And then you're going to deal 3 face down cards in the middle. And this one here I turn to the side. Now go ahead and give player left of dealer, going clockwise around the table, 1 up card. Don't deal the entire table, they're up cards. This player here has a chance to either hold or pass this card. We'll take a look and see what he has. And we'll say he's going to pass it. Now you can only pass a card once, so now this player here is stuck with this card. He's kind of like forced to hold it. You cannot pass it. Once a card is passed to you, you have to hold it. Now keep going around the table. Give this player here a card. And let's see if he wants to hold it. He'll probably hold that card. And now the dealer, it's got a queen. Here's the dealer's cards. And we'll say the dealer's going to pass. So now this player here is stuck with the queen. And then you just deal whatever player is left, the card on top of the deck, their up card. So now everybody has their up cards. And now I just take a look around the table, see who has the highest card, and that determines betting action. So this player here has a queen. We'll say they're going to bet a quarter, and the table's going to call. Now the first round is the only round where you can hold or pass your up card. Second round, you go ahead and just give everyone an up card, just like normal, passing around the table. That player there just hit a pair of 10s. And after everyone gets 2 up cards, I turn over this first community card. Now the object of the game is you're going to use 3 of your cards, whether they're down or up, it doesn't matter. And you got to use 2 of these community cards. Now I'll show you what this card means in a little while. So now you have another betting round. This player here has got the pair of 10s. He's going to bet a quarter. Everybody's going to call. So now you give everyone their 3rd up card. And now I turn over the 2nd community card. So right now everyone has to use this 2 and this 4 plus 3 cards in their hand. Whether they're up, whether it's down, doesn't matter. So now you have another betting round. Let's take a look. This guy has the pair of 10s, and he's still high. So we'll say he's going to bet a quarter. Everybody's going to call. So now you give everyone a 3rd down card. So everyone right now should have 3 up cards, 3 down cards. So now everyone's going to take a look, see what they have. That player there. And everyone has to throw away 1 card. Whether the card is up or down, it doesn't matter, but you have to throw away 1 card. So this player here, he's going to throw away this 3. And let's see what this player here has. We'll say he's going to throw away this 2. This player here with the 2 10s, we'll say he's going to throw away this 3. And dealer, we're going to say, let's see, Might be better off he throws away this ace. So now everyone should have 5 cards in their hand. Some people will have 3 up, some people will have 2 up. Doesn't really matter as long as everyone throws away 1 card. So now you have another betting round, and betting action should start with the same as whoever the last better was, because we didn't give any more up cards. So this player here, the pair of 10s, he's going to bet a quarter again, and table's going to call. Once the pot's good, now you can turn over this card. This card here is the wild card. You cannot use this card in your hand. It just determines what is wild. So right now, kings are wild. So anyone holding a king, whether it's up, whether it's down, is a wild card. You just don't use this in your hand. That's why I kind of turn it sideways. So the winner of the game is going to use these 2 cards plus 3 in their hand. And if they have a king, then it's wild. Now it's a wild card is showing. You have another betting round, which since we didn't turn over any up cards, it's going to go to this player here. It's still highest cards on the table. And he's going to bet a quarter. Everybody's going to call. So now the dealer can announce 1, 2, 3 flip, or you can just say turn them over, whatever you want to do. And everyone's going to turn over their cards and determine what their hands are and figure out who the winner of the pot is. So dealer does not have a king. This player here is no king. No king here. But look at this player here. He's got a king. So using 3 of his cards, and kings are wild, he has 3 10s right here. Plus he has to use the 2 and the 4. So if we look at the dealer, there's no wild card, so he's got, let's see, he has to use these, so 2, 4, he's got a pair of 4s. If he had a 6, he'd have a straight. This player over here has got 2 queens. You got to use the 2 and the 4, so it's basically all they have. And this player here, almost a straight. He's got 5, 6, 7, but he has to use these 2. No good there. Let's see, no flush. So this player here, with 3 10s, wins the pot. So pot grows pretty good in this game. Like I said, there's a lot going on. You're going to want to probably deal this, like I said, at home a couple times before you take it to your poker game. You don't want to introduce a new game and then, flub up the deal and then just kind of leaves a sour taste in everybody's mouth. So if you deal it out right, everybody has a lot of fun, especially on that first round where you do the up cards and you hold or pass. It's kind of like you stick your buddy with usually a bad card. And it gives a little bit of player interaction, which always makes the game fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning how to play Texas Turmoil, and I thank you guys for watching.